good afternoon? Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Starlink beta for Galaxy users on T-Mobile postpaid lines. And with this, I am not on T-Mobile right now, and this is actually an unlocked device that brings me to my next point. You do have to have a T-Mobile device for this and be on one of their postpaid plans, but you can go into your app and sign up for their beta for Starlink service. And this is available if you don't have cell coverage. You can send and receive messages via satellite on Galaxy S24 devices, as well as Z Fold 6 devices are the supported devices right now. When you have the beta enabled and your device is updated properly, you will get a satellite connection option in your connection settings right here on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if you're a T-Mobile customer using a T-Mobile device, not an unlocked device, it does have to be one that is an actual T-Mobile device. Check that out. Check out your T-Mobile app. It is free for the beta period. You do have to apply for the beta. Not everybody that signs up will get in, but I just want to put that out there. That is something that is now available with the Starlink satellites that they are partnering with SpaceX and T-Mobile to bring you better coverage everywhere. Like I said, right now it's available for messages only, but they do plan on trying to bring phone and data connections to users in the future as well. So just a little news update there, and we'll have some other stuff coming here shortly on the channel, so stay tuned for that. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.